Hey everyone, welcome to Canva tutorial, and in this video we are going to understand how you can design Instagram posts within Canva. So once you are signed up for Canva, and this is Canva free account, so you'll see that if you're on the home page, so we have seen about the logo, YouTube thumbnail, etc. But at the top itself you have the social media, all the social media options that are available. So if I go to the social media, or simply if I click on create, you will be able to see social media in the left hand side. So you select social media, and here you have popular social media, for example Instagram, right? So we want to design the Instagram posts or story or reel. So how we can go ahead and do that? So you'll see automatically within Canva you will get the suggestions around the story, what sort of pixels the story requires, what pixels are required for the reel, and what pixels are required for the posts. And then if you move further, you can see other Instagram posts or ad related information or the suggestions that are there. So I want to create, say for example, Instagram post, right? So if I click on that Instagram post, it will open me that design, and you will see these are some of the Instagram templates. As soon as you will go ahead and click on Instagram, you will see the templates that are available that you can straight away choose. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So if you go to the design that got opened here, you will see this is the untitled design at the moment. So we can go ahead and rename. I'll say my first Insta post design on Canva. Okay, so I have renamed that, and if you go to the design now, you will see the designs that are relevant for the post, right? For the Instagram post. Some of the templates are already available. The styles will show you different styles of the combination, for example the color palette and the font sets, etc. But in the templates, first let's go ahead and select the template. You can design the post from scratch as well, but because there are thousands of templates available out of the box, so why not use them? So if you're into the food business, so anything which the crown icon is the premium or the pro feature, so you won't be able to use in the free account. So you have to figure out where exactly or which ones are the free ones. And if you see this slider bar here, if I click on this, you can choose the language as well to filter. So for example, you want to use a specific language, for example just English India or English UK or Philippines, etc. You can choose. Or if you want specific Hindi, say for example, if you're based in India, so you can choose all the templates that are Hindi templates, right? If I go and switch back to the English India, so here you will see, I can see all of these top ones are the premium ones. But say for example, I have to design a birthday or Varanasi travel experience, so I can simply choose this template. And now here in this template, as soon as you choose a specific travel template, you will see more suggestions automatically will be on that topic itself. But these are more or like all three that are suggested are paid, so you can go ahead and choose the free ones. You can go back and choose the free ones which are available. For example, this one is free, this one is free, which we have chosen already. I mean, this is a little different from that. So automatically you'll see the free ones that are available. Now within here, you can change the design. You can change the color option. You can change the text on the design. For example, I want to change the font to something else, right? So I can say change the font to DM Sans. By default it was this first one, and you will see there are lots and lots of fonts that are available. Other thing is you can update any of the elements that you don't want, right? So for example, I don't want the flight icon, so I'll delete that, and I'll delete these ones, and let's say what all elements I can find, the other elements. So I'll say okay, train. So I search for the train, and then if I go to see all, you will see these are some of the train elements that are available, and I can use the free ones. So this is free, this is free, this is free. So anything which doesn't have the crown is free, so I can see and choose the free ones to use those in my design. So let's see which one suits best. So for example, if I go further, let's say I choose this one because it's more of a lighter sort of background. That's not really good. I have to change the color. Let's choose this one. All right. I can go ahead and rotate as I like, wherever you want to adjust that. And here you will see all the magic recommendations as well. So if you click on see all, you will see the magic recommendations. Mostly you will see all of them are free. Use any of the relevant ones. So let me choose another train one. I'll choose that one. And you can change the color, minimize, right? So for example, this is a little better, and let's choose this one, and let's say I want to flip this horizontally. Okay, so if you want to flip this horizontally, so you simply choose whatever element you have chosen and simply click on flip, and you have flip vertical and horizontal option available. So I have flipped that image, and let me move or make it a little big so it looks better, and then this one as well. So I can move the other elements as well and align as per the need, as per the requirement. I can also change the photos. So for example, here there is a specific photo that is available. I want to choose or have another photo. For example, I can use another photo in this frame, or I can design this whole social media post or the Instagram post on my own from the scratch. But you'll see most of the design that you get through the designs are good enough, and you just need to go ahead and update little bit details within these designs as per your, for example, you want to share your own number in there, you want to share your information, and then straight away you can go ahead and share and download these designs. The other important thing is, for example, I want to, let's say if I go here, you will see I can go ahead and change the color. Flip I have already explained. I can go ahead and crop. I can change the corners of it, right? But this is because this is element, I don't need to change any of the details in here, or just the color would be fine. So for example, at the moment the train glasses and everything is blue. I can change this to a little, maybe dark blue or a little lighter blue or some other color. Okay, so all of the editing options that I have already explained in the previous videos are available in the social media post or in the Insta post as well. The text options are available. If you want to add a photo of your own, you have the uploads option. So simply go to the uploads and you upload the file yourself. So for example, you are preparing something or the Instagram post for your tutorial, something you want to add your logo. So you upload your logo and then simply click on the logo, and I can use this logo, sorry, not in that image. I'll simply go ahead and say I have the logo on this or somewhere on this post itself, on the Instagram post, or I want to add my photo or the photographs that I have captured myself in my camera. I can go ahead and straight away use those in the post, and this is all free. So once you are happy with the design that you have made, simply click on share and you can download. You can have the public view link, or you can print with Canva. You can share on the WhatsApp or the Instagram directly. So if I go ahead and click on Instagram, then you'll see immediately post from mobile app suitable for Instagram personal and creator, or schedule post from desktop suitable for Instagram business. So here, if I go immediately post from mobile app, so click on continue, and you'll see that it will show you the QR code to download the app. Now this is the Canva app that you can download, and from there itself, so from the Canva app itself, you can then share this Instagram post on your Instagram account. So designing you can do on the desktop, but then with the same account, when you log in on your mobile app, the Canva mobile app, from the mobile app straight away you can share this on the Instagram, on your Instagram account. So that's how easy and seamless it's become to design and share. Even the designing part, many people, even the designing part do on the mobile app itself. So go ahead, try this feature and create stunning Instagram post and share on your Instagram account for free. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.